Hi guys, hello and welcome to another Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how you can display the column names when you are printing your report that goes across multiple pages. For example, if you look at my report over here, right now in this report, I have 7 columns, and as I scroll down, it goes all the way down to row number 79. If I were to print this, I'll go to File, Print. As you can see down below over here, I have multiple pages. As I go across the pages, you will notice that I can't really see the total or the column headings on each of the pages. Now let me hit Escape so that you are back. And as you can see, this perforated line over here that shows something that is not, like anything to the right will not going to fit on this page. What I could do is I could select some of these columns and maybe reduce the width a little bit, so much so that I could fit it all in one page. So you can always double click if you want to reduce the column width, and that way it automatically runs through the entire column to make sure the longest item or the widest item is basically the width of that column. So basically I've adjusted it so that it all fits nicely on a page. Let me go back to File, Print, and now as you can see there are 2 pages, but on the second page you don't see the column headings. To fix this problem, what we need to do is we need to go to the Page Layout tab, and in the Page Layout tab we will going to click on the Print Titles option. In Print Titles option, we have to make a choice as to which area actually has the row that I want to repeat. So this is basically where I can click and I can do my selection, and then I can expand on it. So it says that row number 1 through row number 1. So that is the row that I want to repeat on each and every page. Now if I click on Print Preview, it still shows me that there are 2 pages. If I click on the second one, now as you can see that on the second page it repeats the column headings. So this is how you can select a row that will display on every page of the report. Hope you would have enjoyed the tutorial. Catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.